My vision board is finally done, and I can't wait to show you guys all the steps that I took to make it. Featuring the Make a Vision Board Manifesting Collage book, here is what I did to ensure that I had a piece of art that is always inspiring me. So, first of all, I prepped my board. I painted it, oil painted it to look like a galaxy to give my images a place to pop. And then after reading the book, I found a congruent theme. I used the tarot cards in the book and paired them with my astrological houses to go in order with my astrology to ensure I didn't miss a beat. If you need help with the astrology, there are blogs on the playlist at the link in the bio. Personally, when I do a vision board, I like to work from the inside out, kind of starting in the middle and then flowing out to the outside of the board to make sure that I fill up all the space and then I have a congruent design that I like the flow of. And I use these as like major themes, anything that inspires me. And every page in the book has like a large page on the back and smaller images on the other side. So you kind of have to choose which images you want the most. It makes it so you have to make a decision. I personally use a razor to cut all of my images instead of a scissor, and each of the images has a great outline so that you don't make a mistake and cut into the image, and it kind of looks really cool and gives you another place where the image can pop out of the board. The book includes journaling prompts to help you really open up your mind to get down to what you really want, the emotion behind the desire. So, after reading the journal prompts, I went through the image sections and pulled images that aligned with what I wanted to manifest. I definitely suggest you lay everything out first before you do any gluing, just to see if you really like what you got going on. The point is to be able to look at it from back and far away and it all looks congruent together, and then be able to hone in on different sections independently. So I kind of focused on the circle and then doing images around the circle. Every single image you see on this board came from the book. I was going to go through and add some more images from other magazines and some other statements, but I really liked where this was going. It felt so fluid that I didn't want to disturb it with adding anything else from the outside. Another great tip is to go to Pinterest. You can see this in the blog as well at the link in the bio, but go to Pinterest and look up collage ideas because you can play with scale, you can play with different images coming together, and there's a lot of fun tips there just to inspire you. And this is the final project. So I'm obsessed with this board. I've looked at it every day. I'm so excited about it. It's the best one I've ever done. And the book was stupendous. It helped with every step of the way. You can get the book at the link in the bio. It's everywhere books are sold. The Make a Vision Board Manifesting Collage book is on sale now. I'll also be doing little updates based on astrology because I did the board in the order of my natal chart, and I suggest you do the same thing. You can really hone in on just where you're trying to go and use the current astrology to help you get there.